Umuntu ngibuyise ekhaya left tag. Ngazombamba wena. Masisenda.
Wena
Mamela, every time sisembedeni wena ngihlezi ngokupitchiza wena. Amehlo akho vela athi useless wena.
Isetshenzelwa bani mali wena? Mina ngazokugcwala kahle. Or else mina nasohlangana and ngeke ngikuthande. Ne? Yeah.
So you see me, my sister, I'm doing music, right? But I need people to love me for who I am. Even if I can just get on the stage and just hold the mic and say, "Go on, double school." I don't want an abnormal energy. I can't keep the energy. I don't want an abnormal energy. I can't keep the energy. I need the energy that I have so that I don't overdose and die.
Weird observation.
With weed when you smoke, my brother, I would relaxing. Yeah. Oh, your brain is all about fun.
It's interesting.
You do permanent sometimes.
No touch
What makes you love him?
She's capping.
Njengamsho ukuthi ufan ne and also une energy. Mina naye always ngihlezi nje ngiyo.
Uhleka. Oh, okay.
Uhlezi nje
Sengivele ngihleka. Ngoba niyahleka vela. Angazi sihlekane. Sengivele ngihleka.
Very high.
So what makes you love her? Besides the look of her. Because so you guys love these guys. With your body, I would expect you to come with someone like me. With
No, Joseph, me.
Preference.
It's Gora.
Right for me now.
But this brother Pella is slender. This brother, my brother here, if he was to sleep on his bed, if he buys a bed now in 2025, the bed can survive up until 2035. 10 years deep with this body. 10 years deep. My brother, when you can't kill the body, I'm telling, even the bed is gonna be painful of you.
You see, big ladies are not budget friendly, dog. That's what he's saying.
If it was alone you, I'm saying alone you. Yeah, you know, Pella, when you have your 4 quarter in the bed, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yo, boy.
Umoshege, ulale next phakathi umoshege, ulale next umoshege, uyolala ngale manje umoshege. Maso umoshege 1 2 3 4 ulala kanje manje. You know what I mean? Mara ngiyadlala brother, but I love your body. I used to have a slender body. My uncle also used to have a slender body. He used to love like.
You don't care.
Yeah, but ushonile man. Hey, kuyashona la kulo mhlaba. He had he loved girls, my brother, you know. But nonetheless, I want you guys to play a couples game.
Washa?
Whereby you guys, we're testing your couple, see if you guys are not cheating on each other or you guys are.
Okay.
You exchange phones with the motherfuckers making some noise. Thank you. Exchange phones for 6 seconds with him.
You.
My sister's not talking. She's just going with the flow. Who do you think is cheating?
You don't need a code and you don't need a designer.
That's what I think is cheating, though.
Meet Mocha,
Why the heck
where
you
your
going with the
ideas
flow
turn
like that? It's Colin. Talk, baba.
Exchange phones like
Yes, exchange phones.
okay.
And secondly, how would he cheat looking like that, though? I'm gonna cheat on nobody. Let's be honest. Skip it back. Shy.
I have an interview. I should joke in give me interview.
Manje.
Yeah.
Umuntu athatha isikhathi.
60 seconds.
60 seconds.
60 seconds.
Wena uthini baba?
Mina ngigrand.
Ugrand ngayo.
Yeah.
Your eyes kudala bema man. I love your sam man.
Hey, thank you.
Love you,
sam ne?
Yeah.
Okay, give open it. Give us. Where's your small?
Asisitali ngiyakhe kuqala sibona.
Okay. Yes. Go to WhatsApp mama. Eyakho mele ayibambe esandleni nje kuphela.
Zaka.
Ayibambe nje.
Sizobona.
Oh, keep your phone, my sister.
Siboleke yakhe.
Check out the phone, baba.
Labona le.
Zwakala yini man.
Sorry my sister, but umbambela umnike kanje.
No.
Nje ayibambe sidala ngeyakho. Yangena go to WhatsApp. Yeah.
Come on,
So I love you. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna do it for you. We can do it together, yeah? Okay.
Hi, my brother. Why are you looking like that? now?
What is that? It's a neck.
My neck.
Okay.
It's wrong, I knew.
Muscle spasm.
Such sex. No. Okay. Yeah. Can go down. I love you.
I don't shake, my brother.
Nah, no. She's the
If
only
you
one.
cheat on this kind of woman, bro, I love her shoes. Yo. She's not wearing
I'll
makeup,
Joseph
number
in a man.
one. That's one thing I
Joseph.
like about women like that. Number two, she's cute. Chubby, yes. Okay. Such sex, my sister.
My brother, you shaking?
Yeah.
Survivor.
Yo, kamnandi ukrelo umuntu. I mean,
Maro
look
ya
at her.
survivor.
Yes. I want cheat on her.
Okay. Let me see.
Can you cheat on such a woman?
Hey, when I cheat on every woman, give me Kardashian, I cheat.
There we go.
I don't give a
There we
fuck.
go.
Cheating goes with who I want next. I'm kidding.
She's not kidding, let's be honest.
Such sex. Okay.
But my sister's so curious, eh?
Nothing. It's content. Funny
Okay.
style.
First time seeing the phone.
Okay. Such notes. Do notes.
Notes.
Yeah, next notes. Hi. Such a conga,
Nothing,
baba.
bruh.
Such a conga, baba. Such a conga. What do you do, my brother?
Like what?
Umsebenzi.
Umsebenzi. Oh, I'm an assistant teacher at Nalibaba.
Oh,
He looks like a coach.
assistant
Is
teacher.
it just me?
That's good, bro. That's good, dog. That's good.
Comment down
dog.
below.
That's
He looks
good.
like a
I love
coach.
it when our black
Soccer
people
coach
are
in ya.
saying nice words. I'm an chief executive. Me, I'm a chief executive CEO of Joseph Dari Media. Are you okay, mama?
Yeah, izinkinga ukuthi ne ngeke-interview and ngimtshelile naye ukuthi
Yeah.
No, it won't.
I swear, ku-interview.
Siyavana.
Shaking,
Ngifuna
baba.
ukudrive ku-interview now, no put fasting ngizonibeka la. Okay. Yeah, ngizokudrive, don't worry if you want to. Okay.
Joseph uzodrive athathi mama. Uzosala bhuti wami.
Okay, go to the pictures.
Don't make sure.
Go to the pictures. So this is how you go to the pictures and go up. Hey, yeah, I'm a chief executive CEO.
And I'm a literature facilitator.
Ish. We're doing this, bro. Don't ask us what are we. I'm a chief executive, operator manager, CEO,
All in one, boy.
ex-producer of Joseph Dari Media.
I'm not gonna lie. Joseph Dari has to be on a drug, dude. I can't lie.
And a founder.
The way he moves sometimes is crazy.
And a founder. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I have a meeting with myself. Yeah?
Kugcwele yena nabantwana bakibo nabantu basemsebenzini
Okay.
nje.
Okay. Open yours, my sister.
Now we
I love
talking.
the fact that you put God on your wallpaper.
That means she's cheating, though. Those church girls are different, dog.
That you are a God
Are
person.
dangerous.
Yeah.
Are you godly though?
I am.
Brother. Bambi mobisele yakho. Samba. Sibambe amafoni serious. Sibambe amafoni ama serious. iPhone what?
Mina ngikho right as.
Why, my sister? Why? Kunento yenzayo la kule phone.
No, ngithi like ngikho right like
Ngithi sibona unama lock chats sicala ngawo. Sicala ngama lock.
Lock chats ku-WhatsApp.
Cala ama lock, my sister. Cala ama lock.
Vula amasango,
Cala
singene.
ngokulock.
The voice crack is crazy.
Yebo. Is there anything you're doing? If you're doing something, my sister, before we start, tell
My brother. My brother's looking at her. Oh no, boy. It's like he knows that she's cheating,
Is there
but he's
anything
been
you're doing? If
avoiding
you're
it.
doing something, my sister, before we start, tell me. Okay.
Oh nah.
Cala ngama lock. Okay.
Thuma.
Oh,
Uboneni?
my sister.
Angisho bhanga football ngisho.
She knows her phone, boss.
Aye, bamba kanje ba brother. This is lock chat. So you can search Google lock chat, but you gotta go to the niggas. Okay, who's dead? Okay, there's nothing. Let me do it fast because maybe you might know.
Azina nginedlozi.
Oh, look.
Esikhaleni unedlozi, my sister. Esikhaleni, hey, girls will murder us, dog. They'll be the last of Bruce, I'm telling you. They'll be the last of Bruce, man.
Your woman is sending a mattress.
Ubani manje lo?
You.
Mopi.
unamadlozi wani my sister?
Like ngike ngithi ngiziva right manje ngathi
Ubani unathi?
ngathi ngizovulela idlozi.
Sibona ubani unathi my sister?
Unathi ubani?
Mazi.
Hawu.
Sweetie.
Bana nakho ringa naye.
And ubakhuluma phela. Buka izinto abasendela nayo my brother. That's your woman.
Hey, usenda ama heart.
Yes.
When inhliziyo uyayithola nje my
We're
brother.
just friends, you're just talking.
Wama abumncwa.
No, there's a no, I haven't checked I love you. But so
Nawa ama heart
Yes.
lagcwele la macala.
My brother uyayithola ini heart.
Kodwa but
hey but wami
So wena naye ni yini unathi?
uma kanje.
we're just friends nje na.
Yeah?
We're just friends.
Just
man.
Look,
Empetha ama
there's
la.
another one bo. Are you sure baby? They call each other baby all the time.
2 men.
Uyamtshela na ukuthi uyeza. Benohlangana va.
Hayibo maybe like brother or something.
Library.
Nenza nihlanganisana wena nonathi.
Sungba.
Buka kusumuntu wakho lo kanti. Kanti buka le out. Iposte yena kushuye kanti umuntu wakho uposte yena musa. Poste yena lapha.
Posting your girlfriend. boy.
Mina nyaha. So mina mangayinyuku su busy nabo nathi. Mina
Angikuchitheli mina checka kahle futhi awunecame bangisibona.
Wait my sister. Ithi mina
yakena lo mntwana izolo bekumele sihlangene. Uthi
wait, let me write I love you. I agree wabona that was another one.
njengoba izolo bekumele sihlangane la eBram buva.
Buka buka lezinto.
Abusizwe.
Ha.
Ubani usizwe?
3 men. She has HIV dog. 3 guys.
Ubani usizwe yi?
Scans we fam.
Ikholiko isendela ama love. Abo I love you.
Scans.
Buka.
Ukucela manuthu uphendulile.
That colleague be hitting her like, telling you boy, I'm shy dog. Hi kid.
Azi ngiyafuna ukuhamba futhi. Kokubani?
Awunalidlozi la next boss.
Empethu uthwanchitela. Bona bo sex.
Utwala sexy fam.
Yo.
My sister, why yithi mos phone?
Empethu ubani unathi?
Awuyithi phone?
Baby ungavumi nje ukuthi abantu abangani awolo
Ubani nathi?
asazi lo bhuti yasazi.
Eh?
Uyasazi lo bhuti.
Ubona
Uzomshaya
isefoni yakho,
manje.
unathi sefonini yakho man wangitshela amasimba wena futhek man. Wazongitshela amasimba unathi sefonini yakho. Uze nefoni yakho.
Ungavumi ukuthi lo bhuti la ucabanise.
Bona man, bona niyathumela niyaringa. Izolo ngithe sihlangane eBram, bova. Oh, imaqala, flow mancane. Bova
Amnikeza ayibone, angisho ufuna ukubona
My brother
mawucela.
but makrasi yaphela la.
wena ungijwala amasimba.
Yaphela boy.
Wena ungijwala amasimba wena. Awungijwala kabi.
Awazi.
No wonder he's angry boy.
Wena
Say.
ubheka iqamisa ungathola nami. Wena ubheka iqamisa ungathola nami.
Ha.
Mina
Wena mawubhekile.
Uthi wena mawubhekile ungathola
Wena mawubheka iqamisa ukuthi mina ungathola nami.
He is Moose. He's jolly with you but you cheating. Lo mehluko.
Ungishela nje mucabangani obvious. Ngizivebela ngizokuuser.
Ha.
Mawubhekile wena. Mucabanga ukuthi mina nawe sizofanelana.
Lapho sumfidile usidudli ncanca yakho.
Madoda. You know?
Nca yakho. Sure.
ngikusendela 5 clip izolo wathi kimi sizohlangana eBram yiwo lamasimba labo uyeke unathi vele.
Ungasho njalo. But if unathi unezi 1000 don't say that my brother.
Yenzeni
Don't.
mina ungangibheki
Kodwa
kanjalo.
nawe.
Wow.
Hayi ngiyakubuza.
Hayi ntatho yakho mos wabheke mina
Dlala
ngenze.
game le.
Iyo le game.
Hayibo.
Wabona na
They
ama
want
results
this man.
we
Vele
Hayi
nje.
baby mana.
You guys have been dating for one year.
Besibiza ngobheki.
Yeah.
Bra wami.
Empela lo muntu ngibuyise ekhaya lefuthek. Ngazombamba wena. Basisendako.
What now? Wow, seke namasende. Oh
Empela lo muntu
no.
ngibuyise ekhaya lefuthek. Ngazombamba wena. Basisendako.
Oh no boy.
Ngibuyise ekhaya lo.
Even Joseph is
Umawuleli
speechless.
umncanyilwe ngimintroduce kumawuleli. Uye lo seka busy nabo nathi. Ubani unathi ngitshele kucala ukuthi ubani unathi kuqala.
Umuntu wami.
So
Unathi-
unathi is your real boyfriend.
Umuntu wami.
Mina ngiyini ke?
Side chick
Unathi
baba.
boyfriend yakho mina ngiyini.
That's the guy who
Substitute
you
you.
didn't save there. Who's that guy?
Mawuphusha mafuthi.
Go kuma-log checks.
Ehle kubangaki laba singaki da kuwe vele.
Ingaki kanjani?
Eh?
Ingaki
Yabona
kanjani?
mawenza
Makona
kanje
ukho.
brother.
Ayikho.
Awukho.
Oh, yibo kuphela.
Ungiuser nje cha.
Red card, my brother. Oh no, what did you find out?
Ngisho.
Boy getting red card for finding out. That's crazy. Yo boy.
yibo kuphela.
Ungiuser nje cha.
ngisho yabona
Uzena amasimba nje nayi.
yabona lo abamsevanga nawo
Hayi mara.
mama relax
Abamsepa.
Busy mfana.
busy
Eziningi westela kokuqala isikhathi ngentshela ukuthi nginamadlozi khona la kumele ngiye khona then
Angendawo emadlozini. La
Humble
ubhizi senda
fast.
amanuthu sendana nabo love. Ungicela imali.
who's this guy that you didn't save
Muphi?
you didn't save this guy you didn't save this guy
Yo, another
You're talking
income
with him
stream.
today 10 a.m.
Kodwa mara baby ngazi hayi mina
Sambiza
Ngitshela ngabo
ngobaby.
bhi. Wangitshela uyabona ungangitshela ngobhi.
ungamtshela
Hey.
ngomfeki.
Ngifuna imali yami.
Hayi
Uzongigaya
bo.
okuqala
Hayi bo,
uzongigaya.
hayi
Uyabona
bo.
imali yami.
Keep it with, keep it with.
Ungamshaya.
Uyabona imali yami
Hayi
leyo
bo.
wenza ungigaya imali yami.
Out the way, baba.
weza ushela ungibona ukuthi
Utshwala
nginjani
amasimba wena.
wangishela ungibona
Utheni kimi?
hayi bo
Botheni
uthengani
kimi? Awuzange usho ukuthi wena nalo muntu wakho niyahlukana.
yebo
Nangu nathi ugcwele amafoni la. Nangu nathi ugcwele amafoni.
mamela every time sisembedeni wena ngihlezi ngikupitshiza wena amehlo akho avelathi wena
My brother suffering, yo.
ngikupitshiza wena amehlo akho avelathi athi njani wena mosibhekile ikhona wena lento yenzayo
Oh,
what
nah,
do you-
fam.
hayi nje ubhuti
My boy, at this point, you should have not find out, dog. Ngiyakutshela.
bungambona nje ngiyamphitsha bobathi umuntu
Maze wayisola.
ngithi nje ngihlala phezulu kwakhe ngiyamride kabe uyambona nje ukuthi kanjani akinje mina ngazi ukuthi ngachazela ukuthi ngithini
Vela bayisola, dog.
ngaxolisa kodwa hayi bo
Ngamlisi please
No kanjani mfethu?
ufuna ukumshaya
No angifuni umshaya uyazi kumina ukugaya into
Angakutshela
zami.
ukuthi
Ungigaya
ngithanda-
imali yami mamela. Ungigaya imali yami mamela sifebe ndini.
Ha,
Uzonginikeza
ha,
imali yami
ha.
oqala. La mali yami airtime engihlengi sisendela wona. Nale mali bengithumelile.
yabona if you were umuntu oright mengeke uzucela imali yakho mozongishiya nje ungishiye nje yabona ukuthi njani
No, the money is kind of necessary now that you're saying that.
Wena useless wena.
Isetshenzelwa ubani imali wena?
Hayibo,
Wena
manje
wazokugcwala
hayi
kahle.
bo.
Ha.
ungamshayi wena ungashayi umfazi
So ufuna
Yabona
ukumshaya
ufuna
manje
ukula,
ukuthi
mara
njani
wabona umthuko ungamshayi ngoba manje sosumshaya manje uzoboshwa manje
Joseph is clip farming. Umthuku ngamshaya. Uya clip farm ubujita.
ngoba thina
Bangishiya
sine
futhi
proof
ifault yakho phela ifault yakho
manje
ifault yakho
ngenzeni
bangishaya
mina ngitshitile mina ngitshitela mina
Serious vele.
you are not serious
Serious
about this
ngonathi?
guy am I not
Serious
am I not
ngonathi? Userious
how
ngonathi?
long have you been dating
Nathi
Nathi?
bazokudubula ke manje. Bazomdubula kunathi.
So between mina nonathi ubani ngathi u number 1 ke. Ngeke
Because
kuzwe
of
state
Nathi.
card ngoba ngathi ngizwe
Some
state
shit keeps on setting himself up.
card la.
High key.
Ah, stop lying my sister. Udlala ngawe my sister. Udlala ngawe brother. Yabona ngalendlela bekakudlala ngayo. Yabona ngalendlela bekakudlala ngayo kule relationship.
Usho ukuthi
Udlala
ngidlala.
ngayo.
mina ukholwa yena
Manje wayisaringa ke nonathi. Nisaringa wena
Yena
nonathi.
awuthubane.
Naku phethe phone yakho man ukhuluma nonathi
Le
la usenda
awuthenye
ama
ubani?
kunalenye yeah
Lenye awuthubane.
if it takes
hayi banginayo time mina bhuti yokudlala
Joseph unayo.
emsebenzini manje unathi
We trusting you, Joseph.
kushuthi vele niyasipila nayizolo njengoba
Spina
ngithi
yini?
kwesihlangane eBram shuthi boye waya kunathi
ngizolo ngisemsebenzini
Cap.
yeah
Cap. Cap.
my baby ngiyaqala nje ukuthi mani ngicela
So you see that your man is not gonna
Hayi Putwam. Don't fall for that, man. Don't fall for that. Be
But
strong.
also when I
Be a
traveled,
man.
I remember I had to job or to job.
Be a man.
I
Don't be
just
falling for that.
took him
It's
out.
too late now. Anyways, this score is kupukile, dog. Women are cheating. It's crazy.
she sees that a man is leaving her. Now she think of it ukuthi imali ayisekho.
so
ungangikhulumi
singakhi mfethu
Sini 3.
like kama mpela usingakhi
nale out
bakusile kubo bona bakuvayisile makubo bakintroduce
It
kuma
doesn't matter, dog.
abazali bakhe bakwazi abazali banathi
bakuyuza sifebe ndina ubonwe
bangiyuza mina
Wena ubonwe.
bangiyuza mina
or user bona
mina
okushuthi wena uyuza
uyuza
thina
ni wena hayi bona wena bangenaphi
uyuza mina
yebo
imali yami nje for masimba
yimi masimba la
so sengisho imali
mina
yami
ngeke akukhomba ngesibhamu ngathi ungiphi imali
Ha.
mina ngeke akukhomba
Kopeng singer. You were literally like this, dog. You were literally like that. What the fuck? Kopeng singer. What the fuck? Oh no.
umntwana wasisi wakho hey akana imali ufuna ukumisa ecrash
My bad, yo. My bad. And illustration in the chat. That was crazy.
usungenzani
Oh.
ngoba mase kunje
awuzongiganya ukuyami lo lo uzongiganya ukuyami lo ngizomgcwalisela lo ukuthi lokhu uyangivimba lo uzongigaya imali yami wena uzogcwala wena
I'm sure, my
Imali
brother.
yami,
It's
ngithwala
not worth it,
amasiko.
boy.
Angiboni wena.
Imagine you're gonna lose her, you're gonna lose your money, and you're gonna be in prison. It's 3 L's.
Wena
Man, are you
angiboni.
leaving her beside the money?
Living here.
Yeah. No longer dating her, or you gonna continue giving her money? And then
uyazi ukuthi uzobuya la kimi ngazi kahle uzobuya ngitshela ukuthi nginamanga ngitshela ukuthi nginamanga
Angeke.
ngitshela ukuthi nginamanga
Suke sibone.
The fact that he's looking away.
Awusuke sibone.
Uzobuya
Wena uzogcwala wena. Wena uzogcwala wena.
wena uzobuya kimi
Wena uzogcwala ngami.
uzonqanqa lebele
Ngifuna imali yami. Wena ufuna imali yami. Ngifuna imali yami.
wena uyabuya wena la kimi
Akusena nix ozoyithola. Yabona kimi wena. Akusena nix ozoyithola wena.
so wamshiya or kanjani?
Hayi mina ngigcwele ngalo. Right ngaye.
Wamshiya.
Hayi lo mina
So
ngimnandi.
ucedile ngaye.
Hayi
Relationship
ngimnandi.
iphelile.
Hayi lo ngimnandi. Uzonceda.
ndazi ne noma uyahamba uyenzani sokokwakho lokho okwakho lokho
Ngoba akakuniki kamnandi.
yo abona le slender awusazi mingaxoxela nje ngaqalela incwadi engaka
Unokungifonela. Mina ngitshele ngokuthi ushoda ngemali erent. Ngifaka itawanyana or ngifaka abo 700. Ngifaka kusho ukuthi sisuke sigcwaliselana nonathi.
Nale anyawo thi sinazo.
So lo munye ubani ke yena?
Faka malini
Ngishele
yena.
kuqala makuyimi nawo.
mara na ubuza kakhulu yazi
Ubani?
Ngitshela amasimba wena. Ngitshela amasimba wena. Awena ngijwala amasimba yabona.
She has a mind that's running back. She's kinda not okay.
Akangiboni no, akangiboni, akangideserve. Ya qhubeka nonathi wakho. Yabona? Qhubeka nonathi wakho. Awena bengigeza wena. Wena bese ugezekile wena. Ngami awusibheke nano, awusiboni wena.
Cabanga boy.
Uzamile.
Ugezekile ngimzamile.
Ubumgezela unathi. Imagine.
Uhlezi nano ngena la
Amasimba lo.
ngena ku phone yakhe ubheke iWhatsApp yami ubheke ukuthi ngisenda kangaki imali njalo nje mafuna kimi inyuku kanti busy
My
nabona
brother is skinny inxa ukuthi ufunza yena. He's not eating, she's eating.
Maseyiphele lento yenu ayisasebenzi.
Buka, ijacket yalenga boy.
Ungazokhuluma nami kanjalo. So uqedile ngayo.
wena ngimnandi ngawo yabo wena ngisho yeah mina ngimnandi ngawo
Leave this guy. Mali nini?
no mina ngiyavaya mina wena uzozibona
Oh, my sister, what are you doing to this man?
wena uzozibona
Yakumanipulate ke manje
mina
butwami.
asaring
Hayibo.
udiditha ama number phone wami mina na asaring
Shuthi uzongikhola ukuthi ngeke kubuye awungikholwa vele
ukuthini
ukuthi ngeke kubuye kimi
wena ngimnandi ngawe wena sichapara pesinje wena futheka
bari fangilalanga nabo
Stop.
Lamanga yabona manje.
Bona ama chat
yebo ngiyasenda manithi yebo ngiyasenda hathi wadi fangilalanga nabo
ngazelaphi
ubonile usilela nabo
Yasibonile.
She's smart but like
wena bonga record ipatapata mpizi ngishaya bonga recorda na
Boyaphi kibo?
boba sendelana manuthi
For what?
from the start boba sendelana manuthi
yabafuna.
She will lie to the kids. You are not a kid, Angisho, brother.
no I'm not a kid uyazi
Leave this man.
wangicedela relationship kanti why
Leave this
Aqedanga
man.
the income stream. Let's be honest.
Awukho
You need
serious
peace.
wena.
You need peace in your life, my brother.
ngizokutshela into eyiwani yabo ugrudi yabo no so ugrudi kumele uzithole yi umuntu umjito ozomthola no bekumele ngabe ukufaka endlini like niqala umndeni mara ubani uzwakha umndeni nesitshapara pesini
yimi leso sichapa leso
uyini
molala naso
uyini uyini awusisifebe wena awusisifebe bayingakho amadoda akuthumelela amanto la bayingakho amadoda akuthumelela ama WhatsApp lapho
Umbone wenzani ngamanuthi?
uthumela lo usende
Sekuphelile la.
It's called marketing.
My brother, if you are leaving her, leave her. Me,
marketing, fam.
there's no need for this, my brother.
uyahamba ngicela ukuthi ngicela
There's no need for this. Don't even talk
hayi
to
mina
her,
ngimnandi
brother. Leave this
ngimnandi
man
ngawo
alone.
yabo wena
wena uzobuya wena la kimi
kubani
wena
Ngabuyi my brother.
amachera agcwele ngara
Mablawa selokishini.
yeah
Uzosho njengathi mabonke. Uzosho njengathi mabonke boy.
bagcwele abanokolo bagcwele abonoma kugcwele wonke umuntu wena uzitshwapa lapho uziphethe kanje wena uzitshwapa lapho
Uzothola someone
yabo into ozonginceda ngayo ne sifebe ndini unginikeza imali yakho into ozonginceda nje ngayo iyo le yonke le mali bengikunikeza yona or else mina naso sohlangana and ngeke uthane ne yeah
So uqedile ngayo.
Ngongikaphe ke interview but ngisho uzongikaphe
Mina I don't capas.
wena ukhohlaya ngathi
We don't cap a hole.
fe yeva
What for
Lumafe.
Unlumela my sister.
Hayibo.
Kanti my sister on lumelang. Nagirile ngo my sister
He's
guys.
going back to fake cooks, dog. It's shy. No more money now. No more money now.
Manje nakuyirile unongon lumela my sister. Manje mina ngilumelani mina. Uwanthunga. Uthi went for what?
Anyways, Radio Cut, thank you guys for tuning in. This one was crazy. My brother, thank you. Now your money is good. You can now get better, dog. Improve with your money. Boy. We'll see you in the next episode, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Danko. Peace out.